Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can set up default SIM in your Android device. So that is technically the latest Android device. So what you're supposed to do, maybe you can set up a default SIM to send SMS, or also a default SIM to use for secure data, and also to say that when you try and to call person using your Android phone, it can always ask which contact or which line or SIM you want to use to contact that person. So what you need to do in order to set up this default setting, you basically need to get into your phone settings. Then you need to come to where we have SIM and network settings. That is basically in the latest Android device. Then in case your phone is a dual SIM, you get your SIMs displayed here. So we have a Safaricom SIM and a Telecom SIM. So in most cases, I usually used to browse using my Telecom SIM. That is why I have set it as a default. But in case I want to be using my Safaricom line as the default internet for browsing or for secure data, I can just choose SIM 1. Maybe I like sending SMS using the Telecom SIM, I can just select Telecom. And this is how they will be set as a default. Now the demagogue comes when you want to set now two SIM to be used for normal calling in your Android device. You need to come here. You can see mine have been set as a default caller of Telcom. In order to be asking me and every time and they stop calling you just using one SIM, I just need to click here, always ask. This is where we have like icon here which is slanted in nature. Then when I come here in my phone, you can notice that my phone is now enabled to call using both phones. So I can I can use a SIM 2. Let me try and use SIM 2 to call, which is the telecom line. So you can notice that problem is solved. I can to contact a person just using my two SIMs in the Android device. And that is how we usually set Android device default call settings or default SIM, and also select the best SIM for calling, either for browsing. If I want to turn on my data, it's just simplified. I can either select to turn it on. In default, it has been set to be Safaricom, but I can change and input Telecom, maybe if Telecom is the one which contain my secure data, and then turn okay. So in case it's for texting is a bit tricky, but you need to make sure you set the right SIM for texting or for the normal messaging or texting. But you can also set the text using the preferred SIM of your choice by just selecting the best SIM. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss out any of our future running content like this. And thank you, and God bless you.